All right, so we are reviewing for this linear equations test. Oh, but you can't see what's up here. Hold on, I gotta get them configured so that they're both showing the same thing at the same time. All right, so take a look at number 1. They are asking for just the slope. So I hope we all remember that slope is just, I'm gonna count how many boxes I go up or down. Number boxes up or down, that's our numerator, up or down. If it's down, it's negative, and then it's number of boxes to the right. That's it, and then just simplify that. So on number 1, I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it'd be negative 5 over 1, 2. Can you reduce negative 5 over 2? No, so literally that's it. That's it. Easy peasy. For something like number 4, what do you have to know? Yeah. You got to know the formula for slope. So if we don't have this one committed to memory by now, make some flashcards. Right? We've been using this for weeks now. So there's the formula. And remember, this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So all you have to do is pop those numbers in correctly. Oops, sorry. Sorry, hold on, let me zoom out here a little bit. Okay, so now just plug the numbers in and we should be all right. So y2, negative 4 minus negative 1. What happens when you have minus a negative? It turns into plus positive 1. Downstairs, x2, negative 3 minus negative 12. So again, it's going to turn into plus positive 12, which really means I get negative 3 over 9. What's that reduced to? Negative 1/3. That's my final answer for slope. Okay? Oh, you all finished at the same time. All right, thank you.
I use this as a ruler.
That's fine, thank you, thank you. I put the study guide on your desks. We just finished number 1 and 4. I'm doing one of each. I'm also recording my voice and the paper. So, just so you know. And I plan to post it later, hopefully. Sure. Okay, so there's that one. All right, let's jump to topic 2. Well, let me ask, are we okay on slope? Can we all do slope? We all know the formula for slope? All right, moving on to topic 2. Slope-intercept form and standard form. You gotta know which is which. What is slope-intercept form? What's the equation? I'll give you a hint. Yes, y equals mx plus b. Standard form is the ax plus by equals c. I gotta zoom out more on this. This is not ideal. Oh dear. I don't know how to get the camera to, you know what, maybe it would be better if I think I'm just gonna hold it. I don't know. I don't have like maybe I could. Hold on. Maybe I could balance it in just such a way. All right. That kind of works. All right, and oh, jeez Louise. All right, and you guys can all still see? We'll do it like that. All right, so let's do one like number 6. No, you can't see. I got to figure out how to, because it used to just record whatever I was playing on the screen. That was perfect, but I can't seem to get it to work. All right, anyway, write a linear equation with a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 7. That's y equals mx plus b, and you just plug in the m and the b. That's it. So you plug in that slope, you plug that in for b. This is the easiest style question they could give you. You're finished. Now, if they ask you something like number 7, it says identify the slope and the y-intercept. What is the slope of this thing? Close. It's just going to be the number in front of the x. So your slope is just -3. Slope also doesn't have a variable with it. It's just a number. What's the y-intercept though? That would be over here. If there's nothing there, what is it? 0. Y-intercept here would just be 0. Okay, now let's look at something like 8. They're asking for the slope and the y-intercept, but the problem is this is not in y equals mx plus b form. So what do? We get it in slope-intercept form, all right? So this is my goal. I want it to look like this, because once it looks like that, I know the slope and I know the b. But I'm not there yet. So what do I do with this thing? I have to get the y by itself. So we'll minus the 2x from both sides. Remember how we've practiced this. We have 5y, and then you sneak that negative 2x right after the equal sign. And then put that plus 20 over here. Now just divide everybody by 5. And look at that. I end up in y equals mx plus b form. I'm good to go. So now tell me what the slope is. Anybody? Slope? Yes, negative 2/5. And then the y-intercept, the b, just 4, right? Just the number on the end. Okay, let's jump down to 10 now. They're asking you, hang on, let me get this situated so that you guys can see it too. All right, there we go. I have to write the equation. Well, your easiest way is to just do y equals mx plus b and plug in the m and plug in the b. Can you tell what the slope is from this graph? Sure. So remember, we just count how many. In this case, I'm going up, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2. So the slope is 7 over 2, and then the b is just wherever it's crossing the y-axis. Negative 3, right? That's it. Isn't that so nice? Y equals mx plus b is so easy if you know what to do. You're just finding the slope and the y-intercept. Okay so far? All right, next page. Sure. No, we're taking our chapter test first and then midterm on Thursday. Okay. We're trying to make a review video right now too. Trying.